Hi skaters! In today's session, we are working with the agility ladder to build essential skating qualities: agility, precision, and fast foot placement. These off-ice patterns will directly translate to cleaner turns, quicker transitions, and better control on the ice. We will start with the basics, so let's break it down together. First exercise, we'll be running 2 squares forward and 1 square back, always starting with the same foot. Step into the first square with your left foot, then place your right foot into the same square. Next, move forward into the next square, left, then right. Then step backward 1 square, left and right again. Move on to the next set of squares and repeat the pattern. Left, right, going forward, then left, right, stepping backward. Continue this sequence 2 squares forward, 1 square back. Start slowly, focus on coordinating your feet, and make sure you don't miss any squares or steps. After that, repeat the sequence starting on the right foot. Remember to start slowly, follow the exact steps, and only increase your speed as you become more comfortable with the pattern. For more detailed videos, in-depth tutorials, and step-by-step breakdowns, consider joining my YouTube membership. As a member, you can contact me directly with your questions and even request a personalized video of your choice. Click the link above or look in the description below and join today. Our second exercise will be jumping jacks. You will jump into the square as you bring your feet together and then out of the ladder as you bring your legs apart. This becomes more challenging as you pick up speed because your momentum increases, so make sure to stay balanced over your feet and keep your eyes looking straight ahead. Our third exercise is called Hopscotch. You are going to jump on 1 foot into the square, then on 2 feet outside the ladder. And then switch your leg for the next square and land outside again. Keep jumping, left foot into the square, 2 feet out, right foot into the square, 2 feet out, switching your feet every time. If you are a beginner skater and just making your first steps on the ice, sign up for my Figure Skating Foundations video course on my website styleskating.com. This course includes hundreds of videos covering everything from very first steps on the ice to more advanced skating skills, basic spins, and single jumps. Each video provides step-by-step instructions, shows the most common mistakes, and explains ways to fix them. After completing this course, you will become a well-rounded skater and enjoy your figure skating journey even more with strong basics. Click the link above or look in the description below and sign up today. Now we are moving to exercise 4. This exercise helps with hip rotation and coordination. We are going to start with a simple version. Step into the square with your first foot and turn your hips sideways, then pivot for a quarter turn. Step your second foot outside of the ladder. Continue turning your hips for another quarter turn and step your first foot into the next square. Repeat quarter turn, place second foot outside the ladder, then after another quarter turn, step your first foot into the next square. During the exercise, try to keep your upper body as still as possible, facing forward, and focus only on rotating your feet and hips. Exercise 5. Side-to-side hops. We are going to hop from side to side. Start by placing your left foot into the square. Hop, then switch your feet. Place your right foot into the square and left foot outside. Change direction, start with your right foot, hop with your left foot into the square, then right foot outside. Keep jumping, alternating your feet. Bring your feet together during each hop and bend your landing leg to stay balanced and controlled. Now repeat the exercise backward, aiming for each square and alternating your feet. If you are enjoying this video and learning something new, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Check out my playlist for off-ice training for figure skaters, where you can find a variety of exercises for different types of training. Our next 3 exercises will be variations of Grapevine. We're going to start by stepping forward into the square with your feet and bringing them together. Then turn to the left for a half revolution with your hips and step backward into the next square. Then turn half revolution to the right, step forward, and again turn half revolution to the left, stepping backward. Try to keep your upper body still while turning your hips forward and backward as you step. Continue the pattern forward to backward to the right, and then backward to forward to the left. Now repeat your pattern other direction. Forward to backward, you're going to turn to the right, and backward to forward, you're going to turn to the left. This is a great exercise to prepare for different turns on the ice and to improve your twist position. Our second variation will be Grapevine with the 1 foot crossing in front and 1 foot crossing behind as you move from square to square. Start with the right foot to the side in the first square, cross the left foot behind into the second square, step out with the right foot into the third square, cross the left foot in front into the fourth square. Repeat the sequence as you move forward. On the way back, start with the left foot out, cross the right foot behind, step left foot sideways again, and cross the right foot in front. Our third variation will be more challenging because you are moving forward and backward at the same time you're moving sideways along the ladder. Take your time and start slowly. Start with the left foot in a square, step forward over the ladder with the right foot. Step into the square, crossing the left foot behind, step backward outside the ladder with the right foot. Then cross the left foot in front into the square. Continue the sequence, right foot in front of the ladder, left foot crosses behind into the square, right foot behind the ladder, left foot crosses in front into the square. Move across the ladder until the end. Then switch starting foot, start with the left foot in front of the ladder, right foot crosses behind into the square, left foot behind the ladder, then right foot crosses in front into the square. Great job, skaters! These agility ladder exercises are designed to improve your footwork, coordination, hip rotation, and overall control on the ice. Remember to start slow, focus on precision, and gradually increase your speed as you get more comfortable with each pattern. Thank you for joining me today, and I see you next time.